This is Christoph. He looks like an ordinary dairy farmer, but he's not. Christoph is an Arla farmer owner, and that means he's not got one job, but two. Because like thousands of our other farmer owners, he's not just working to produce high-quality milk, he's also on a shared mission to reduce Arla's net CO2 emissions to zero by 2050. Not that this is new. Since 1990, our farmer owners collectively reduced their CO2 footprint by 23%. In fact, they now create less than half the average emissions compared to global dairy production. So it's in their DNA. Like Vaughan producing biogas from manure, Sarah switching to non-fossil fuels, and Jan optimizing feed composition to reduce methane. That's cow burps to you and I. Because like us, our farmer owners believe in creating a better future for the next generation through sustainable farming. So a big thank you to our farmer owners for doing a great job. Sorry, 2 jobs.